My movie is I will sing for you, for all of you. That's okay. Again, Someone Like You by Adele and covered by me, but it's a cappella. A cappella. A cappella. A cappella. No. Again. I've heard that you settle down, that you found girl and you're married now. I've heard that your dreams came true. Guess you gave everything I didn't give to you, old friend. Why you so shy and like you to hold back or hide from the light? I hit the turn off but the blue invited, but good to stay away. I couldn't fight it out. Hope you see my face, that you'll be reminded that from me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I'm big. I remember you say sometimes it's less than love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Yeah. That's all for today. Right guys, like and subscribe for